How many hairs I have if hair is the problem? I don't even show off. Do you know things that I have that I don't show off? How can you just come and cook on top of my head? Oh, now too they cook for this social media. Oh. Clout chasers everywhere, blackmailers everywhere. You don't, even the lady in question don't know me. I don't know you. I don't know what hair you're talking about. As far as I'm concerned, this is my house. All the hairs in this house right now as we speak are mine. I don't understand. Am I that causing a lot of pain in your lives? Am I causing a lot of pains in your life like that? Wait. Even me, I'm tired. What should I do? Who wants fame? I should come and collect. Who wants the fame? Come and collect.
You see why e dey important say you as a woman being when no get she suppose dey contented with what you have. No dey follow social media oh, you go enter inside wahala. There's so much fake lives on the media. You go think say a girl dey do better than you for social media. You no know say the person na borrow pose. Borrow me, I take pictures, I prepare them, I come back to my reality. No be small thing they happen online, no. Hey my people, it's your girl Cindy. I don't come again with double to help these young girls where they media. Now who they trend in a Phyna or bbnaija? They trend. One hairstylist came out talk say Phyna for return the wig where you borrow. You don't overdue. You don't use them. Do what you want do. I beg, return my wig to me. Another person won't use them. Now so Phyna come out talk say
of what's going on. I don't even know what's going on, and I want to tell that person, that girl, I don't know her. I just want to tell her that I don't know what's going on. No. And if she wants to chase clouds, she should take it easy. Because me, I like handling issues that I'm related to. I like when you're dragging me for something I'm aware of. When you're dragging me for something that I know, it is different. Because at this point, I'm so confused. That's what they do for this lifestyle. So because somebody is famous, people think you can just come and cook on their head. I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. Are you talking about hair? Hair? Should I show you my hair wardrobe? Should I show you hair wardrobe? I don't understand. Please. If I don't know what to say to her, but I don't know if
na so blessing CEO come chook mouth. Come tell Phyna say
Phyna, this live video is for you, a blatant liar. That wig you are saying, I don't know what's going on, to prove the vendor wrong. Phyna, go to your closet, bring out that wig you wore for that premiere live and show us. Come out and from there, say, see the wig, now me get some. Now so we do am. Phyna, I challenge you. You say you have plenty wig you want to show us. Come, let me show you guys the meaning of show off. Come with me. This is Phyna, do this for us. Turn the camera. Phyna, show me your wig like this.
no be small thing. Who we go come believe for this social media? Now Phyna be the hairstylist wey talk say Phyna borrow. I be rent wig for am wey she take do. I be go for premiere of a tribe called Julia. Hi! Young girls out there, you watching this video, you are doing well for yourself. No allow anybody pressure you. Oh. Now fake life full this media. I don't talk am again. You are doing well for yourself. You are doing very well for yourself. Hype yourself. You're doing well. No, they look them. Now cloud chasers full this media. Borrow pose. And if Phyna think say this hairstylist they like, make she find the hairstylist, deal with her. Make others they take correction. Say no be everything you go come online, come they talk, they open mouth. Wah.